Yo, what's up? This is Crimson 60620. Thanks for watching my channel. And if you want to catch up with me, these are my various social media sites. If you want to get some of my art prints, you can actually check it out at deviantart.com. And if you want to help support my channel, support my Patreon. Thanks. Alright guys, this is Crimson 60620, and I'm sure you guys can hear me. I am doing an unboxing. Yes, I'm doing an unboxing. I got a PC I actually been using for the longest time, a laptop, and I actually got a PC. So you see the camera that's overhead, which is my cell phone, and you see my PlayStation camera. So let's get this going. Open it up. Now this is a used computer. Oh, hit the camera stand there. All right, guys, just trying to get it all opened. All right. HP, yes, it's packaged pretty good. Cost me $95. Serial number on it, so it's actually, it's a tower, but throw that away. So it has product serial numbers on them. I'm not going to show them. I can actually open this up and just add more RAM to it. Now this originally comes as a, I'll open this up. No matter. Let me see. Anyway, we'll do it later. So it actually has the DVD. It has 4 USB ports, microphone / headphones. I don't see any products code. Now it's VSG, which I have, and shit, I actually have a USB mouse. So this is my unboxing of it, and let's see if I can open it up. Hold on, guys. I can't open it up. Oh well. So I'm gonna actually hook it up. This is my unboxing of it. It seems sturdy enough. Has a little bit of weight to it, so gonna have fun with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching my unboxing. I actually have a monitor already for it, an old 19-inch TV that I've had for it. And well, you guys, thank you for watching, and you'll hear my product review of this. Alright guys, so I am coming back with the actual product review. It actually is a good machine for it to be so cheap. Spent $95 on it. Got the 2-year protection plan from Amazon. Link is going to be down in the description. It was running a little bit slow. I put another 4 gigs of RAM in it, and now it's able to run OBS, vanilla OBS, as well as like a video game. Like I have StarCraft, I have the Blizzard loader, and it's actually working real well for me. I did a test stream to YouTube. Now it still is having a little bit of issues with Streamlabs OBS, but I think it has more to do with Streamlabs and how it may affect. You have to get the Twitch working properly for it. Other than that, guys, I'm having a real fun time. I actually have to buy with this. Office doesn't come with it included, but I actually, with my job, I actually get Office at a pretty reasonable discount. Yeah, it's fun. I'm able to, you know, work with some of the editing programs that I have as soon as I get them transferred up. And have basically had it for about 2 weeks. I really enjoy it. Maybe I will start getting some PC games, and it's actually got a pretty decent expansion slot. You can actually add a video card to it. I've already added the RAM. And so I want to thank everybody who's watched this video review. Please, it'll help me out if you like and you share. And I want to thank everybody who's watched my reviews. So, as with always, thank you and enjoy your day.